The first ever BMW iX2 is equipped with BMW operating system 9, featuring BMW iDrive with Quick Select. BMW iDrive has been setting the standard for intuitive human-car interfaces for over 20 years.
The Quick Select concept is based on a zero-layer principle, bringing an improved menu structure.
A new graphical interface provides a clearer focus to operation via the touchscreen on the curved display, as well as natural language. Together, this creates a multisensory BMW iDrive experience.
To avoid distraction and contribute to an easy operation, the new zero-layer principle shows the driver all relevant functions and information at one glance.
The user interface allows to select the needed function without entering a submenu.
And to return to the home screen, a simple tap to the lower edge of the display is enough.
BMW iDrive with Quick Select for the operating system 9 in the iX2 offers a high degree of personalization and customizability. For convenience and safety, live widgets appear in a vertical arrangement on the driver's side of the user interface.
All this is easily customizable according to the driver's preferences.
On top of that, the driver or a passenger can start the interaction with the BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant by touch or by a voice command by saying,
"Hey BMW, drive me to Bologna." The BMW iX2 comes with a sporty, agile handling and everyday use, soft off-road features, and decisive long-distance comfort. All available driving systems of the X2 model range offer incredibly sporty handling and precise controllability. BMW designers and engineers took particular care to offer handling that satisfies the highest demands.
The modular 3-link rear axle fitted to all model variants is ideal for sporty handling. The driver experiences serious support during dynamic cornering. A significant gain can be measured concerning steering precision and target accuracy.
This comes as no surprise, as highly pre-stressed stabilizer bearings are fitted. The result is a very good body support combined with smooth rolling comfort. We were able to fit a most sophisticated suspension and damping system to enhance the driver's and passengers' comfort on long journeys.
Modern lift-related dampers with an additional sleeve are added to reduce body movement when driving over small bumps, whilst ensuring excellent transient behavior in corners.
Let's make a long story short. The BMW iX2 is the perfect sports activity coupe that delivers the best of both worlds: sporty driving pleasure and long-distance comfort.